Are you struggling to store multiple keys with a single value in Redis using Java? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you have multiple identifiers, but only one value to work with. Many developers face this issue, especially when dealing with caching in Redis. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user wants to store 3 keys, user 1, driver 10, and admin 5, with a single value, which is this is user. They want to retrieve this value using any one of those keys. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So why is this an issue? Redis is designed to map keys to values, but when you want multiple keys pointing to the same value, you need to use a slightly different approach. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you optimize your Redis usage even further. To begin, the user needs to set up their Redis connection using Redis in Java. This involves adding the Redis library to the project dependencies. Next, the user should create a Redis instance to connect to the Redis server. This is done by specifying the Redis server's host and port. Now the user can store multiple keys pointing to the same value. They can use the Redis set method to achieve this for each key. To retrieve the value using any of the keys, the user can simply call the get method with one of the keys. This will return the associated value. Finally, the user should close the Redis connection after completing their operations to free up resources. Fun fact, Redis is often referred to as a data structure server because it supports various data structures like strings, hashes, lists, and sets. It's not just a key value store. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using a Lua script to optimize data retrieval in Redis. The script allows you to get the value associated with multiple keys in a single call, reducing traffic. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using Redis hashes if you need to store more complex data structures. They can help you manage related data more efficiently. And that's it. Now you know how to store multiple keys with a single value in Redis using Java. Remember, experimenting with different approaches can lead to better solutions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.